stop scrolling. If you trust your life to your EDC pistol, you need to know which Glocks made this list, because in 2025, not all Glocks are created equal. Some are just built different. These are the models that have proven themselves unshakable, undeniably reliable, and crazy consistent even after thousands of rounds. We're not just ranking by specs. This is based on real-world carry, everyday abuse, and the kind of feedback only serious users can give. And let's be honest, if your carry gun jams when it counts, it's already too late. So whether you're a Glock loyalist or just Glock curious, this list will tell you which 6 deserve a spot in your waistband and which ones might not make the cut anymore. Before we jump onto the list, a quick heads up. We dug deep into user feedbacks, torture tests, and everyday carry forums to finalize this ranking. These aren't just Glock bestsellers, these are the models with the fewest reported failures, best real-world retention, and feedback from actual daily carriers in 2025. So if your current EDC doesn't make this list, it might be time to upgrade. Ready? Let's go then. The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS is the ultimate sidekick for your everyday carry adventures. This compact pistol is packed with features that'll make you feel like a secret agent. With its MOS system, you can add your favorite red dot sight and become a precision shooting master. The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS is the culmination of Glock's pursuit of perfection in compact pistols. Building on the iconic G19 platform, this model introduces the modular optic system featuring multiple adapter plates for seamless red dot sight integration. With its 4.02-inch barrel and 7.28-inch overall length, it strikes the ideal balance between full-size performance and compact concealability. The standard 15-round capacity provides ample firepower without compromising grip size, making it accessible to most hand sizes. Front serrations ensure a secure grip during press checks or slight manipulation, even in adverse conditions. The NDLC surface finish boasts unparalleled hardness and corrosion resistance, guaranteeing your defensive tool remains functional in any environment. The Gen 5 enhancements address nearly every criticism of previous generations. The flared magazine well accelerates reloads under stress, while the ambidextrous slide stop lever accommodates left-handed shooters and weak-hand shooting scenarios. The high traction frame texture provides a secure grip without being overly aggressive, making it perfect for everyday carry. Its compact size makes it easy to conceal, and its customizable design lets you make it your own. So how much will this awesome sidekick cost you? The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS typically retails between $699 to $745. I guess the saying "Jack of all trades, master of none" doesn't apply to the Glock 43X MOS. This pistol combines concealability, performance, and precision all in one. With an affordable MSRP of $435, this petite powerhouse features a single-stacked magazine, a streamlined design that's perfect for everyday carry. And with a slide that's identical in size to the G43, you'll hardly notice that it's there, except of course when you need it to defend yourself. The G43X MOS boasts a slightly larger frame than the G43, providing a more comfortable fit for those with larger hands. And with an increased round capacity, you'll be better equipped to handle any situation that arises. Glock's renowned quality control ensures that this pistol will function flawlessly even in high-stress situations. And with the safe action trigger system, you'll be able to respond quickly and effectively. Just remember to aim carefully. The textured polymer grip provides a secure hold even when your hands are moist with sweat. And with the wide dot front sight and white bracket rear sight, you'll be able to acquire your target quickly and accuracy even in low light conditions. Overall, the G43X is a dependable and low-maintenance firearm perfect for daily carry. And with 2 extremely reliable single-stack magazines included, you'll be well prepared to tackle any opponent that comes your way. For those familiar with Glock pistols, the best way I can describe the G48 is as the offspring of G43X and a G19. Boasting a 9mm Luger caliber and a double-action only mechanism, the Glock 48 MOS has a barrel length of 4.17 inches and an overall length of 7.28 inches. It strikes a perfect balance between maneuverability and stability. The slim, compact frame, complemented by black textured polymer grips, provides a comfortable and secure hold. Designed with fixed sight style and MOS cuts to rated steel slide, it weighs about 25. Unlike most of the other MOS pistols offered, the slimline designed MOS pistols are cut only to accept micro-optics such as the Romeo Zero, the Hollow Sun 407K or 507K, the RMR-CC, or similarly sized micro-optics. The combination of barrel length, slide length, and sight radius is pretty much what I consider to be the sweet spot for concealed carry. This pistol is worth $485, and in terms of shooting, as I mentioned earlier, the G48 MOS is accurate as well as concealed carry ready. The Glock 45 MOS is still kicking old school in 2025. This pistol may not be the newest kid on the block, but it's still a solid choice for everyday carry. With a 4.02-inch barrel and a weight of 24.86 ounces unloaded, the Glock 45 MOS is a comfortable carry companion. It's not too big, not too small, just right. The MOS system is where things get interesting. This optic-ready pistol is perfect for those who want to add a red dot to their setup. And let's be real, a good optic can make all the difference. A G45 MOS pistol is currently worth an average price of $716.43. It's a little above, but absolutely worth it. This pistol is a Glock after all. It's built to withstand just about anything you throw at it. And with its modular design, you can customize it to your heart's content. So if you're looking for a pistol that's a little bit old school, a little bit new school, and a whole lot of reliable, the Glock 45 MOS is worth checking out. Just don't expect it to win any beauty contests, function over form, and all that jazz. Small but mighty, the ultimate cliche to describe a gun that's, well, small. But hey, when it comes to concealed carry, big guns are so last season. The smaller the gun, the more concealable it is, but you're also giving up capacity and shootability. But fear not, dear carriers, because the Glock 26 Gen 5 is here to save the day. This baby Glock may be small, but it packs a whole lot of amazing features and benefits. At a whopping price of $559, it's an absolute steal. With 6.42 inches overall length and 21.69 ounces with an empty magazine, it's an ideal EDC weapon. The Gen 5 upgrades are where it's at, folks. Glock finally ditched those annoying finger grooves that never fit anyone's hand and added the super accurate Glock Marksman barrel. Accuracy is key after all. The front serrations are also a nice touch, providing a solid grip even with sweaty hands. But what really gets me excited is the magazine flexibility. You can use 10, 12, 15, 17, 19, or even 24 Glock magazines. Magazine swaps for days. The safe action trigger system is also a plus. No external safety to fumble with, just draw and fire. Simple. The trigger pull is consistent, heavy, but manageable. In the end, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is a solid choice for everyday carry. It's reliable, accurate, and compact, everything you need in a concealed carry weapon. The Glock 17 has been around for decades and it's still going strong, mostly because it's just that good, but also because Glock has been riding the coattails of this design for years. I mean, why fix what isn't broken, right? The Glock 17 is like the Toyota Camry of pistols. It's reliable, maybe boring, and it's everywhere. Law enforcement agencies and military units around the world use it. It's a known quality and it gets the job done. But let's be real, this thing is huge. The Glock 17 isn't exactly the most concealable option out there, but the 17-round standard magazine is a nice trade-off, and the optional extended magazines that hold up to 33 rounds are just perfect for those when you need to shoot a lot of bullets, like, during a zombie apocalypse or something. The longer sight radius makes accurate shooting easier, and the full-size grip provides complete hand contact, reducing felt recoil and improving control during rapid-fire strings. The reliability of this model has been tested and proven to be all that you need. Glock 17s can run for thousands of rounds without a need for cleaning. The simplified design means fewer parts to break or fail. And the safe action trigger system contains 3 independent safeties that release sequentially as you pull the trigger. Of course, everyone loves a good safety feature, so if you value proven performance, maximum capacity, and superior shootability over ultra concealability, then the Glock 17 is the pistol for you. With all these features, this pistol is priced at $459. So there you have it, 6 Glock pistols that dominate the carry world in 2025. From classic compacts to optic-ready beasts, these aren't just hyped, they're trusted every single day by people who depend on them to work no matter what. If you carry one of these, or you think we missed your favorite, drop it in the comments down below and tell us why it deserves a spot. Oh, and do let us know what kind of pistol list you want to see next. Your suggestion might be the next video on Guns and Roses. So like, share, subscribe, and do keep that chamber hot. We'll see you in the next one.